Hi, it's Paul from Wakefield Rinsing Wiper Blades. Today I would like to show you how to change rear wiper blades on Dodge Caliber. We've got a really good example for really nice rusty wiper. We're going to change it now and test it. So let me show you how to do it. We need to lift wiper arm. We can't lift it fully, it's limited on this model. So we have to play with it a little bit to take that off. Yeah. We've got Alka universal wiper blade here, which I'm going to fit now. Small adapter B1 is included. Need to clip it on the wiper blade, and then again try to put the hook wiper arm on the adapter and just pull it. Yeah, now it's on. Okay, let's see how it works. As you can see, much better now and easy job, you can do it yourself. Thank you for watching and see you on next video.